कौल नंबर 229।
कनात इख्तियार करो।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कनात से बड़ी कोई सल्तनत और हुस्ने अखलाक से बेहतर कोई नेमत नहीं है। आप अलैहिस्सलाम से दरियाफ्त किया गया कि हम हयात तैयबा इनायत करेंगे। इस आयत में हयात तैयबा से क्या मुराद है? फरमाया, कनात।
Contentment is as good as a state, and goodness of moral character is as good as a blessing. Amir al-Mu'mineen, peace be upon him, was asked about Allah's saying, "Whosoever did good, whether male or female, and he be a believer, then we will certainly make him live a life good and pure, and certainly we will give them their return with the best of what they were doing." When he said, "That means a life of contentment,"